Well, hello viewers. In this video, I am talking on a serious topic which is based on Google Chrome. A few days ago, Google Chrome community detect a big vulnerability on Google Chrome. That's why your Android, PC, laptop can get hacked. So do update your Chrome browser and secure your personal data and personal information which is stored on your device. Now let's see what type of vulnerabilities happen. The name of vulnerability is CVE20221364. It's a privilege acceleration vulnerability. Hacker targeting those persons by this vulnerability who do not update their Chrome browser. And hacker can get all the access of your private data and privacy from your device. Then you need latest version on your system or device. The latest version is of Google Chrome 100.0.4896.127. Now how to check your Google Chrome version? So open your Google Chrome browser, tap on three dots. Now go to setting, scroll down, you will see about Chrome, then open and you can see your Google Chrome version. If you like this video, then do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.